Hey everyone, it's Elicia Woodford, the Detox Advisor on day 13 of my spring cleanse, and I am taking you on a walk with me in nature. And nature walks are exactly that. It is the best stress relief. It's nourishing. It's refreshing and energizing. Nature nourishes and nurtures the body, mind, and soul. So when you feel stressed, find a great spot in nature and just go for a walk. This is freezing out today. It's Atlanta, first day of spring. And it was like 70s and sunny last week, and now it's 30 degrees, and that's why I'm wearing a hat. So, but it's refreshing. So go enjoy life.